Okay, so today we are going to create the material master that we left in the last lecture. And this is supposed to be the fifth lecture. Starting with that part. We'll redo the material master again because we didn't save it because the time got up. Material master, material, generalized MM01. In specialized, we have raw material, finished product, semi-finished. And for every material type, you have various T codes. Now, these are T codes that you actually see here. MM01, material, test WM. This is just a test material. Later on, we'll create our own mechanical engineering, the most favorite, and which is by standard used by everyone training. So we are going to pick raw material for ROH raw, select views, okay, organizational levels. Plant was BD01. B01. Storage location 3000 sale or we'll do it again. Select views, organization levels, plant, storage location, distribution channel E1. Okay. SWM, A, cross rate, 1, microwave, 1, basic data, 2, and then we have this additional data. In additional data, you can have material maintained in other languages also. Okay. Sales org, division, E1. Zero, cash discount. Okay, sales unit. Sales unit will be again each. I'm not doing that. Delivering plant can be different, but of course, we'll keep it empty. Minimum delivery quantity. Now, if you can relate, whenever you go shopping on Alibaba, in Alibaba, they have a minimum order quantity. That is that minimum delivery quantity. You have the minimum order quantity and minimum delivery quantity. So you have to pick minimum like 100 or 50 or 1000 based on your cost, right? Or based on your margins, minimum delivery quantity. So that is what you can, because that will save on freight if the delivery quantity is less than the minimum, of course, that will add to the freight and carriage charges. Item category, we'll discuss item category and general item category later on. Okay. These are very important part for integration with finance.
ये वो पैरामीटर्स हैं जो हमने सेट किए थे एक
जी जी
मटेरियल क्रिएट करते हुए
जी
जो टिक चेक बॉक्सेस हमने किए
जी बिल्कुल. This is sales and general plant data. Okay, profit center. We don't have a profit center right now. We'll create one later on. MRP1. Availability check. AP, which is no check for production, planning. Okay. MRP2, MRP group, MRP type, ND, which is again no planning, basically the procedures, which is MD, no planning. MRP control is a person. We're not doing that right now. MRP2, production storage location, storage location. We'll just keep it as it is because this is a test material. Just can be a variant. Availability check is again replicated and repeated here. MRP4, individual or collective requirements. Individual collective requirements will keep it blank by default. Work scheduling, production unit of issue, okay. And batch management will have, if we check this, then we'll have to create batches also. And if it is a product that is a critical part, like in automotives or in chemical, there is a catalyst that becomes a critical part, and we can check this one. Batch management, we'll keep it simple for now. Plant storage data, we create storage locations. Okay, the storage period, maximum storage period, minimum shelf life. This is for FMCG and expirable products. Plant data storage 2, and negative stocks in plant. We can have negative stocks if it is like liquids or frequently.
Forecasted. Yeah.
Yes, negative products or byproducts,
PCLs. Yeah.
which are replenished every now and very frequently. Okay. Accounting 1. In accounting 1, we set the pricing. Valuation class is very important. Valuation class basically is for integration with finance. So for raw materials, 3000 by 3000, it is basically establishing an understanding that this 3000 will update the records of the material movement, purchasing, consumption, and dispatching in the GL accounts, which will be clubbed as for raw material under this class. So every material type will have its class, and every class will have GL accounts at the back end. Okay. And standard price is 12. And this is B, which is price control indicator, which is standard or variable. So we keep it. Because why keep it variable? Because this is raw material that we're procuring from the outside. We keep future price empty because this is updated internally after the product costing run is executed every month. Enter a moving average price. Moving per unit price, standard price, unit point 10. Okay, so 10 per unit, standard price per unit is this. Okay, costing with quantity structure, material origin. This is again for costing purposes. We'll study bombs as well. Price control, valuation category. Now, valuation category, we again, it's for integration with finance. We don't have anything right now in this one, so let's save it. So material is created. If you want to see that, we go for MM03. Or if you want to change it, you can go to MM02. But once the values are moving into the account for the material, then the profit center cannot be changed. Other than that, we can change the details. Display current, test WM, enter organizational levels. So it's the same thing. The selection will be the same. Issue type, E1, okay. So you can check your material master, additional data. and so on and so forth. So that's how you build your material master, and that was today's discussion. If you have any questions, just let me know. We have the standard price maintained as well. Okay. Moving average, standard. The standard remains fixed. Okay. So that is it.